got some help here. I can't do everything by myself, but gonna be working on the car today, mounting the relay panel. This is the new one that I built. I like it a whole lot better. All right, so got the relay panel mounted. I put it up there, ran the bolts in, and it's so cold out here. Once I put the bolts in and he tightened them up, I never even looked at it for myself. So, but there it is. Relay panels in there. That's the new one. So now we're gonna do the coil blaster. So we're gonna do this real quick, and I'll bring y'all back in once we get this drilled, and then we're gonna do the purge solenoid. All right, so I got them, got Vader built, what, Vader built 4X?
No.
Or you changed it? What is it?
It's Builtbyvader.
Builtbyvader. My bad. See, I didn't change my name too, but only because there were so many other 414 performance things out there now.
It's
so
always,
yeah, but yeah, Builtbyvader. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel in the description and up here on the screen so y'all can check it out. Oh man, you done drilled through the panel.
No way.
Nah, I'm just playing.
Bro, that was good. That was good. That was good.
He thought you really drilled through the panel,
I was
didn't
trying so hard not to tell him, like, there's no way.
you ain't drilled through it. You
Right, man, yo, he got me good on that one. I ain't gonna lie.
All right, so as you can see, we got the MSD coil blaster mounted. Got my purge mounted right there. Got it going through the little plate here. Yeah, so now I'm gonna put my fuel pressure sensor, my bad, on, and then I got a dash 4 fitting. I think that's a Russell fitting. You know, look, waited 2 weeks for this line right here. It got lost by FedEx. There's a certain spot here. Your stuff goes through there, they gonna lose it every single time. It never fails. So whenever I be waiting on stuff and it goes through this particular location, it gets lost or whatever. I got to call back and forth. Crazy. Anyway, we can go ahead and put this stuff on real quick and I'll bring y'all back. All right, so now I got the fuel pressure sensor on. I'm putting all this stuff on so that way I know exactly how long I need to run all my wires, the best way to route them and everything. I'm gonna pull all these wires for the MSD off. I still got to get the other cap for this, since now I'm running the coil blaster. That cap right there is not gonna work. It doesn't have the piece on the other side there. But I'm gonna be swapping out the cap. So I'm pulling them plugs off, the plug wires that is, and try to go ahead and get this thing lined out and start routing my wires and everything. You guys will see all that. I don't know how full in detail I'm gonna go, but you guys will see all that. So this is it for now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the wire.